Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable YouTube Shorts on iPhone. First of all, you have to open YouTube. Then you can see here there is so many videos on homepage YouTube Shorts. So I'm going to show you how to disable it and put the limit. You have to go to profile and you have to go to settings, and you can see here time management. You have to open this and you can see here there is a limit. Put the limit on shorts. You have to turn on this and put it 0 minutes. After that you have to go to home page. Refresh them, and you can see here there is no YouTube Shorts. Even if I watch the YouTube Shorts from here, they can put the limit. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks in advance.